Hello friends, welcome back. Today we'll see magic squares. Here I have taken 5 cross 5 matrix. So if you fill all those rows and columns, you will get the answer row wise and column wise and diagonal also same answer. Let's fill these cells. Okay. First what you have to do is always you start from, so first you fill this center 1. After you fill up this number, you go like this, and 2 is here. After that you always go southeast direction is this one, so this 3. So if you go southeast, here nothing is there, so you have to move like this. So here 4. So after this number you always go southeast, so this will become 5. So if you go southeast, this number is already filled, so that's why you have to go west. So first rule is, first always you go southeast. If it is full, you go to west. So after 5, you go like this, southeast. If it is full, you go west. Here it is 6. After this number you go always southeast, 7. Southeast is 8. So if you go southeast, here nothing is there, so you have to move like this. Okay, here 9 will come. So after the southeast is not there, then you have to move like this. So straight you have to go, then 10 here. If you go southeast, here already filled the number, then you have to go west. So after this number you have to go southeast, that will become 12. Next 13, next 14, 15. After this, here southeast is not there, so that's why, so here after 15 southeast is not there, so you have to go west side. Okay, here also southeast is not there. Okay, that's why you have to move like this. 16, after it will become 17. 17 you see southeast is not there, then you have to move like this. If you go straight, 18, southeast is 19, this is 20, this is already filled, so you have to go west, that is 21. After that 22. After 22 southeast is not there, then you have to move like this. This will become 23. Okay, after this you go southeast, this will become 24. So your after 24 there southeast is not there, then you have to move like this. You go straight and 25 is here. So like this you have to fill all the cells. After filling up all the cells, you observe, if you take any row or any column, the sum will be same. If you take diagonal also, sum will be same. That is, here center number is 13, so 13 into 5, that is 65. 65 is your answer. If you take any row, this one or this one or this one, column also you take any column, or diagonally also you sum the numbers, you will get the same number, that is 65. You will get the answer 65 always. So this is a magic with the squares. This is a 5 cross 5. You can take 3 by 3 or 7 by 7. Okay, I will explain you one more time. First what you have to do is, first start with the center left. First start here 1. After this you have to move always southeast direction. Southeast is not there, you move like this. First I have put 1 here center. After that I have moved this side, I have put 2 here. After 2 southeast you have to see, southeast is 3 here. After 3 southeast is not there, so you have to move like this. Then 4. Okay, after this you have to move southeast. Southeast here already filled the cells, and then you have to go to west. If it is southeast is filled, then you have to move west side. So here I have put 6. After that you have to move southeast, 7, southeast 8. So after this nothing is there, then you have to move like this. Okay, 9. After this number southeast is not there, then you have to move like this. 10. Southeast is already full, then go west. After this you have to move southeast. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here southeast is not there, you have to fill west side. 16. 16. Here southeast is not there, then you have to move like this. 17. After this southeast is not there, already west is filled, then you have to move like this. So this is 18, southeast is 19, southeast is 20. Here already southeast is filled, then you have to move west side. So after this southeast is 22. So already west side is filled and this also filled, then you have to move like this, and 23 is here. After this southeast is 24. Okay, southeast here nothing is there. Okay, west also filled, then you have to move like this, 25. Okay, this is the way to fill all the cells. If you take a sum of any row or any column or diagonal wise, you will get the sum 65 only. So you can try with the 3 by 3 cell also, or 7 by 7 cell also. I hope you like this video. This is RJ signing off until we meet again.